of free VPNs for Android. We have got features, we have got security, and we have even got a sweet race coming up with all the top contenders battling it out. But wait, before we get to the race, let's break down the top 5 free VPNs for Android to consider in 2024. Each of these VPNs has its strengths and its limitations, so buckle up. Let's kick things off with the heavyweight champion ExpressVPN. Now, it's not entirely free, but it does offer a 30-day free trial, which is basically getting a taste of a VIP experience without spending a dime. ExpressVPN is all about speed and security. It's like the Ferrari of VPNs. It is fast, sleek, and reliable. With servers in 105 countries, it has got one of the largest networks out there. You can stream geo-block content like it's nothing, whether you are binging Netflix or checking out the latest on Hulu. But let's talk about limitations. The obvious one is that it's not entirely free. After the 30 days, you will need to pay to keep using it. Plus, while it's super fast, it can be a bit overkill if all you need is basic browsing protection. So basically, if you're looking for top tier speed and security, give ExpressVPN a spin with that free trial. But wait, just don't forget to set a reminder to cancel before the trial ends if you don't want to go premium. Next up, we have FinScribe, a free VPN that is very generous. You get 15 GB a month, which is pretty sweet for a free VPN service. If you ask me, it's just like that one friend who always offers you extra fries. With FinScribe, you get access to service in 11 different countries, which is awesome for a free VPN service. Plus, it has got a strong focus on privacy with solid encryption and a no-logs policy. And yes, it even unlocks some streaming sites like Netflix and BBC iPlayer. However, its exclusive feature called WindFlix is only available to premium users. But here's the catch, that 15 GB, it's great, but once it's gone for real. And while it's good for streaming, it's not the fastest VPN out there. You might notice a bit of buffering if you're streaming in HD. So basically, WindScribe is perfect if you need a reliable, privacy-focused VPN with decent speed. Just keep an eye on that data though. You wouldn't want to run out mid-season of your favorite show. So if you ask me, WindScribe is just like that dependable friend who's always got your back, until they suddenly remind you that they have to be home by 6. Next up, we have ProtonVPN. This one is for all the privacy enthusiasts out there. ProtonVPN is based in Switzerland. And you know what the best part is? It offers unlimited bandwidth. Yeah, hard to believe, right? But there are no data caps at all. ProtonVPN is great for those who value privacy and want to keep their browsing secure without worrying about running out of data. It is perfect for everyday browsing, and its free version comes with servers in 5 different locations. But just like everything, ProtonVPN also got a downside. ProtonVPN's free version is not the fastest. It is designed for privacy over speed, so if you're planning to stream or game, you might experience some lag. And with only 5 server locations, your options are a bit limited. So if privacy and unlimited data are your top priorities, then ProtonVPN is definitely a solid choice. However, you might have to compromise on the speed though. Moving on, we have got HideMe. This VPN is like a ninja of the bunch. It's stealthy, reliable, and fast. HideMe offers a solid free plan with 8 server locations and unlimited data. HideMe is particularly good if you're into tournament, as it supports P2P on its free servers. Plus, it has got strong security features including AES 256 encryption and a strict no-logs policy. It has also got a built-in malware blocker, which is a nice bonus for keeping your device safe. But of course, there is a catch. While HideMe is fast and secure, its free version doesn't unlock Netflix or any other major streaming sites. And although it has got unlimited data, the number of server locations is still on the lower side. HideMe is perfect if you're looking for a reliable, secure, and a VPN good for torrenting. But if you're an avid streamer, I must warn you, you might have to pass this one. Last but not the least, we have got TunnelBear. Now this VPN is super user friendly, and not just that, it's the cutest VPN on the block. It's easy to set up, looks great, and even has a bear themed interface. But here's the thing, TunnelBear only gives you 2 GB of data per month on the free plan. That's not a lot. It's fine for occasional use, but if you are a heavy user, you will hit that limit pretty quickly. And while it unlocks Netflix US, it doesn't work with services like Hulu or BBC iPlayer. TunnelBear is a great choice for VPN newbies. It is simple to use and offers access to service in 47 countries, which is pretty impressive for a free VPN service. Plus, it has got solid encryption to keep your data safe. So basically, TunnelBear is great for everyone who wants a simple, easy to set up VPN with a playful interface. But if you want more than 2 GB of bandwidth, you might want to consider other options or consider upgrading it. And now folks, it's time for the ultimate VPN speed race. We have got all 5 contenders lined up. In the first lane, we have got ExpressVPN, the speed demon with a record-breaking 89.42 Mbps. In lane 2, Windscribe close behind with a solid 84.8 Mbps. In lane 3, ProtonVPN, reliable but a bit slower at 75.59 Mbps. In lane 4, HideMe clocking in at 49.24 Mbps. And finally, in lane 5, TunnelBear with a decent 55.27 Mbps. And they're off. It's neck and neck between ExpressVPN and Windscribe, but ExpressVPN is pulling ahead, crossing the finish line first. Windscribe takes a strong second, followed by ProtonVPN in third, TunnelBear in fourth, and Hide.me rounding out the race in fifth. What a race! ExpressVPN takes the crown for best speed, but free VPNs have something unique to offer, depending on what you need. Alright, if you're ready to get started with any of these VPNs, let me quickly show you how to set one up on your Android device. Just head to your network settings, open the VPN tab, pop in the configuration details from your chosen VPN, and you're good to go. It's as easy as pie. So there you have it folks, the best free VPNs for Android broken down with their strengths and weaknesses. So whether you're looking for security, speed, or some free bandwidth to watch your favorite shows, there's something here for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button or to subscribe for more tech content.